Hi. So, what's your name?
My name is MD Aman Raza.
Okay. So, how was the exam for today?
Yeah, it's a moderate paper and it went well.
Okay.
Pharma is little bit of tougher side.
Former was a little bit tougher, and we have discussed with some of the students, and they found that the questions were repeated from previous year.
Yeah, a lot of.
So, how many questions were repeated? Did you get? Around 30 to 40% around?
Yeah, 25 to 30%.
25%. एंड इसकी वजह से क्या कट ऑफ भी बढ़ सकता है इस बार, राइट? क्योंकि जब क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेड होंगे सो स्टूडेंट विल फाइंड इट इजी इन कंपेरेटिव टू प्रीवियस ईयर. एंड हाउ वाज द लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस ईयर के कंपैरिजन में? कैसे इस बार क्वेश्चंस थे?
Question is on par like May 2024.
ओके. सो मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर के कंपैरिजन में कंपैरेटिवली मॉडरेट या डिफिकल्ट कह सकते हैं?
Moderate.
मॉडरेट कह सकते हैं.
But cutoff will not go high because there is less student now appearing for this because just now the NEET has appeared and no new student were added now.
Right. And any particular additional change which you observed in this particular paper? कोई प्रीवियस ईयर के कंपैरिजन में कोई चेंजेस इस बार हुआ हो?
No, same like 4 slot question paper, 50 question of each slot, 45 minutes allotted to each.
कोई चेंज नहीं था.
No.
एंड क्लिनिकल एंड पैरा क्लिनिकल उसमें किसी पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस हो ऐसा कुछ?
Aims always repeat paraclinical question more often.
Okay.
Than the last clinical set.
Okay. Thank you. Hi. So how was the exam for today? It was nice. And आज किस चीज़ का एग्ज़ाम था? INI-CET जनवरी का, राइट? तो मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर के कंपैरिजन में इस ईयर आपको क्या लगा कि क्वेश्चंस की डिफ़िकल्ट थे, मॉडरेट थे, इजी थे? कैसे थे क्वेश्चंस? मॉडरेट थे दोनों लोगों को. और अटेम्प्ट कितने आप लोगों ने किए? 180 आपने किया. आपने 15 छोड़े. 185 अराउंड अटेम्प्ट किए हैं. और कुछ क्वेश्चन से जैसे स्टूडेंट से बात कर रहे थे वो कह रहे थे क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेड हैं प्रीवियस ईयर से. तो आपको भी लगा ऐसे क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड हैं? कितने हो गए अराउंड रिपीटेड? 30-40% रिपीटेड होंगे. तो इससे कट ऑफ भी बढ़ सकता है इस बार, है राइट? हो सकता है. कोई एडिशनल चेंज जो आप लोगों ने इस बार ऑब्जर्व किया हो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर पेपर? मतलब पहले के कंपैरिजन में इस बार कोई चेंज? अच्छा, उससे अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे, डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन थे. ओके, थैंक यू. How was the exam for today?
Exam was good. It was, I think, from the previous year topics,
Okay.
and it was quite nice combination of good questions and some simple questions.
Okay. And did you find some questions repeated from previous year?
Yeah, I find many of them repeated. Most of the topics were repeated, I guess,
Uh-huh.
and some question was straightforward.
And
So, in all,
yeah.
paper was, I'll say, 70% kind of tough,
Okay.
and 30% it was easy.
And how many questions did you attempted?
I attempted 175 questions.
175 out of 200.
Yeah.
And what was the level of questions means in comparison to previous year?
It was
Moderate,
more or less
difficult?
based on previous year questions only.
Previous year
Level
questions.
of questions, they were the level of questions that came last year.
Uh-huh.
It was similar to that.
Okay, so we have discussed with one student and he was saying that most of the questions were repeated.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it might lead to the increase in cutoff.
Yeah.
Did you also
I
feel the
think
same?
It will increase to the cutoff marking.
Okay.
And it will go high.
Any particular change which you observed from previous year for this year?
No, it was all same. I was
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Dr. Nikhil Gupta.
Dr. Nikhil Gupta. So how was exam for today?
Exam was a bit tough,
Okay.
and the questions were, most of the questions were not direct.
Uh-huh.
Some of the questions were direct, like anatomy questions were direct,
Okay.
and pathology questions were direct. And ENT and Optha was very much in control.
And how many questions did you attempted?
I have attempted on almost 180 questions.
180 questions. That's nice.
Questions.
And how many questions were repeated from previous year exams?
Many of them are repeated, I guess.
Okay.
Repetitions rate is high.
And even the options were same.
Options, I don't know. I can't say about the options, but the questions were repeated.
But the questions were repeated. So it might lead to the increase in cutoff, I guess, right?
Maybe.
So,
Definitely.
thank you so much. Hi ma'am. So how was the exam for today?
Okay.
Okay.
Difficulty level was moderate.
Okay. And how many questions did you attempt today?
Around 140 to 150.
140 to 150. And we have discussed with some students and they found that the questions were repeated from previous year. So did you also feel the same?
Yes, some.
Some, around 20 to 30% questions were repeated.
I didn't
Or less than of that.
I didn't really do previous year questions, so I don't really know.
Okay. And eventually it might lead to increase in cutoff, right? Because if the questions are repeated, so student will find it easy to compete with other students. And did you observe any particular change in exam this year?
No.
No change. Means there were 200 questions and the time allocated was still the same. But we have discussed with some students and they are saying that this year less number of students are appearing due to NEET controversy. Did you also feel the same?
No, the venue was full.
When you was full. Okay.
Can you name some of the topics which had good number of questions asked?
I think in pharmacology and micro
Micro
there
and
were good number of questions.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
अकॉर्डिंग टू यू जो ओवरऑल डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल था एग्ज़ाम का वो कैसा था? मॉडरेट, डिफ़िकल्ट? मॉडरेट, ठीक है. और आपको कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग परसेंटेज में बताइएगा कि कितने क्वेश्चंस जो थे वो इजी टू अटेम्प्ट थे और कितने डिफ़िकल्ट थे?
60% इजी था.
ओके.
40 हाँ 20 और 40 मीडियम पे.
ओके. आप कुछ टॉपिक ऐसे बता सकते हो जिनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आए थे?
पैथोलॉजिकल मार्कर्स थे क्वेश्चंस और ऑर्थो के क्वेश्चंस थे.
ओके. ये आपका फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट है?
नहीं.
ओके, ये सेकेंड अटैम्प्ट है. तो आपके अकॉर्डिंग पिछले साल ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आपका डिफ़िकल्ट था या फिर इस ईयर?
नहीं, इस बार ज़्यादा है.
इस बार ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट था. ऑल राइट. और क्लिनिकल में से कितने क्वेश्चंस आए थे टोटल?
60% रहता है क्लिनिकल, 40% प्रैक्टिस.
ओके. Were questions one liner or it required more clarity?
ज़्यादा क्लियर.
चाहिए थी. ओके. आपको कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है जो सबसे ज़्यादा इजी लगता है आंसर करने में?
मुझे फॉरेंसिक.
ओके, फॉरेंसिक. और आपको कोई टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस लगे सेंटर पे, एग्जाम सेंटर पे? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. विच सब्जेक्ट डू यू फाइंड ईजी टू आंसर?
According to me, it was gynae.
ओके, एंड यू?
According to me, medicine.
ओके. और आपके अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या लगता है कि इस साल का कट ऑफ पिछले साल से ज़्यादा होगा या कम होगा?
Hi.
इट विल बी हायर. ओके. और क्वेश्चंस जो थे वो वन लाइनर थे या फिर उनको और क्लैरिटी की ज़रूरत थी?
It was mixed.
मिक्स था.
One liner was also there and conceptual listening was also there.
एंड यू?
One liner were more than clinical questions.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.